What if I told you that the device sitting in your pocket right now could become a source of income? No expensive equipment, no office, no special degree, just your iPhone. In 2026, more people than ever are building side hustles and even full time businesses directly from their smartphones. The opportunities are real, but the key is knowing where to focus. The first and easiest way to make money is content creation. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook rewards creators who consistently publish valuable content. You don't need millions of followers to start making money. Many creators earn through affiliate marketing, brand partnership, digital products, and platform monetization programs. The second opportunity is freelance services. Using apps like Canva, ChatGPT, CapCut, and Google Docs, you can create social media posts, edit videos, write contents, or manage online communities, all from your iPhone. Businesses around the world are consistently looking for people who can create or help them save time and grow online. Third, consider affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend products or services you genuinely like, and when someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. Thousands of companies offer affiliate programs, making it possible to start with little or no investment. Another growing opportunity is selling digital products. Templates, ebooks, guides, AI prompts, checklists, and online courses can all be created and sold using your phone. Unlike traditional jobs, digital products can generate income repeatedly after work is done. But here is the truth most people won't tell you. The biggest challenge is not technology, it is consistency. Most people quit after a few weeks because they don't see immediate results. The people who succeed are the ones who keep learning, keep improving, and keep showing up. Your iPhone is already powerful enough. You can film videos, edit contents, communicate with clients, manage a business, and even use AI tools to work faster and smarter. The question is not whether you can make money online with an iPhone. The real question is what are you going to do with the opportunity? Start small, stay consistent, and remember many successful online business began with nothing more than a smartphone and a simple idea.